Okay, today let's take a look at how to set your Swordbreaker arm. So you're just go to your folder Cybernoma, and then Swordbreaker. And then you'll see this prefab, which you're just going to drag on your avatar. And then you see the Swordbreaker placed here on your left forearm already. And it's not going to fit your avatar. If you're in T-pose, for example, or bigger, smaller, etc. Super easy to fix though. You go into Cybernoma, Adventure Gear, and then Swordbreaker Setup. And then you see this tool window. And here you have your avatar that you're going to add the Swordbreaker to. And the instance of the Swordbreaker that you can choose to modify. Then, let's start by showing the Swordbreaker dummies. These are showing where the Swordbreaker is going to be placed. And so in shift position, left hand and right hand position. And then all we need to do is we just need to move them around a bit. But first, because this is not going to fit your avatar, we click the large button to reset the positions to the default bones. Now you can see it is looking kind of weird, because the positions have been set to your forearm and to your hand bones. Now all we need to do is we just go through the 3 buttons for your positions in the tool. And we position. Let's enable gizmos to show the grab area. And then, since this is going to go on your left forearm by default, we're going to position it accordingly. I'm just going to do this real quick for the tutorial. You can of course place it more carefully, and you can always rerun the tool too. So this looks kind of done. Let's do the left hand. And we just place the handle in there. You can use the keyboard shortcuts W, E, and T to move, rotate, and scale. Let's pull a bit up and rotate it a tiny bit. And then let's just go to the next one. You can focus objects with F. You can of course also copy the data from your other hand if you don't want to place this manually. Let's just put it like this. Super fast, super easy. And like I said, you can always rerun the tool or spend more time positioning. If you want the Swordbreaker to be bigger or smaller, you can super easily scale directly in the tool as well. Which is going to also work on all times. And if you rerun it, it's going to have your scale saved. Then if you want to replace the model, let's hide the dummies. All you need to do is you just go to the dagger object, and then you can disable it, for example, and just drop another dagger in here, and you're done. Have another fun!